Most changes don't arrive the way people expect them to. They don't show up as clear turning points. They don't come with a moment that feels important. They happen quietly. One day doesn't feel different from the last. Life keeps its rhythm. Routines stay intact. And because nothing feels sudden, nothing feels urgent, people assume that if something were truly wrong, they would notice. That discomfort would be loud. That dissatisfaction would demand attention. But the most impactful changes don't behave that way. They blend in. People often believe they're choosing stability. They repeat familiar days. They protect routines. They keep things predictable. It feels responsible. It feels mature. The same mornings, the same thoughts, the same pauses before decisions that never fully happen. Plans are made in the abstract. Ideas are postponed in detail. Not because of fear exactly, but because comfort feels easier than clarity. And since nothing breaks, the pattern stays invisible. Weeks pass without reflection. Life stays busy enough to avoid silence, occupied enough to delay honesty. People tell themselves they're doing fine, not thriving, but fine feels acceptable. They adapt to the feeling of later. They learn how to live around unresolved questions. Time becomes something that exists in the background, always present, rarely examined. And because tomorrow looks like today, it feels safe to wait. This pattern has a subtle structure. It's not failure. It's gradual disengagement, a slow distancing from intention. People don't stop caring. They stop noticing. Avoidance doesn't look like escape. It looks like patience, like being reasonable. And that's why it lasts. Years move through this space quietly, not lost, just unclaimed. People look back and struggle to identify when things shifted, because nothing dramatic ever happened. No crisis, no collapse, just continuity without direction. The gap between expectation and reality widens slowly. So slowly, it feels normal. Until one day, comparison appears, with someone else, with a younger version of themselves, with an idea they once had. And suddenly, the passage of time becomes visible. That's when the weight changes. Not because time is gone, but because it was lived unconsciously. People realize they weren't delayed by circumstances. They weren't blocked by obstacles. They simply stayed in patterns that required no decisions. The hardest part isn't regret, it's recognition. That nothing stopped this from happening. Most lives don't change all at once. They drift. And drifting feels harmless until distance becomes noticeable. Awareness doesn't arrive with urgency. It arrives quietly, in moments of stillness, in pauses between routines. And the thought doesn't demand action. It doesn't give instructions. It simply lingers. If nothing changed suddenly, when did it start changing at all? That question doesn't need an answer tonight. It just needs to be noticed.